Hi, I'm Mark Mower with Mower Small Engine Repair, and I'm going to show you how to change a lawnmower rear-wheel drive belt. First thing you want to do is make sure your spark plug wire is disconnected. Then you want to remove the blade. I already had that loose, so I just unscrew that, set that out of the way. This particular one uses some washers, and there's a wave washer, and then there's a flat washer, and you just want to make sure that you have all those in the same order. So to avoid any guesswork later, just simply take your blade off, put that back on there, put your bolt back on there, screw it up all the way, and that'll hold all these parts in place. You won't worry about losing any of those washers. There's some bolts that hold this cover on. I've already removed them. So you take this, you unbolt it, and you just simply take that out of your way. And that's the belt. This is basically a belt cover slash deck baffle. So this does a little more than just protect the belt. Most belt covers now are plastic. They also have a belt guide built into them on each side, and as you can see, this one has a lot of wear on both sides of the belt guide. This would be, as long as it's not worn all the way through, I would say you could go ahead and use this again. But after these wear all the way through, it can allow that belt to flop around. This basically keeps the belt on the pulley, and it lessens the chance of this belt coming off the pulley. You can take the belt off without removing all this. You go to the back, you simply lift the belt off the pulley. You want to put it on the engine pulley first. So you just simply put it on the engine pulley, then bring the back around the pulley. Make sure that it fits on there properly. So once you have your belt in place, you need to reinstall the belt cover. And like this is a very large belt cover because it also has some baffling in there for the deck. So it's a little trickier to get on there. You want to make sure the belt is inside and doesn't catch on there. Okay, once you get this up close, push the belt in on the pulley and kind of you simultaneously push that on there, and that's how you put the belt cover back on. And then you simply bolt the bolts back on there to hold that cover on. And you take your blade, put it back on, and that's how you change a belt on a rear-wheel drive lawnmower.